speech. Thank you. Thank you.
Done. I should congratulate Bharat Singh Chauhan for having done a good job. And of course,
on the evening of sending off the Indian Olympic, so that the team is not handicapped in any way to fight the giants like in the US, Russia.
I'm the All India Chess Federation, and thanks to the support of Ramco Systems, have really made all the arrangements very comfortable. And as you know, they've been very proactive with us and preparing us very well. It has to be said that even without my participation, the team has set a very, very high bar, third and fourth. So that leaves a very narrow scope for improvement. Certainly we have a very strong team and we are optimistic, but the Olympiad is a very tough event, and I think we'll only find out there. And you know, it's something you have to fight for every day. There are no real favorites in this thing. You have to go there and fight every day. I think our women also have a very good chance, but I'll let them tell you about it. And thank you all for your support. Let me thank Ramco and the All India Chess Federation again. Yeah, we'll be there tomorrow evening, and then we'll have to start getting ready. But I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
From Meghalaya, to present a bouquet to Tanya Sachdev, to present a bouquet to Isha Karwade, Mr. Manoj Kelwar to do the honors for Koneru Hampi. And now the men who made it all possible. Mr. Ashok Bhargava to please come forward and offer it. Mr. Pradeep Chaudhary, RM Dogre.
This time it's very special for all of us because of all the work that's gone into it, and we'll be giving our best. Thank you very much.
First of all, it's a great experience for me, and I'm very excited to be part of this team with Vishya Anand and Koneru Hampi in our team. And this is my third Olympiad. It'll be like an amazing experience, and I'm sure all of us will learn a lot. And I would like to also thank All India Chess Federation and Ramco Systems for taking care of the team from the beginning of this of the preparation when we started, from the training camps to everything, almost everything. And I'm sure we'll give our best chess, and hope the result also reflects it. And thank you for all the support to everyone, and for media and all the chess fans also. Thank you.
All India Chess Federation and Ramco Systems, they have really taken care of everything. Like, we had nothing to worry about except to work on our chess this time. We've had 3 camps, 2 in Delhi and 1 in Hyderabad, and the conditions were excellent for all of us. And even our coach Jakob Agard has really worked a lot for us, and we've had help from 2 seconds as well. And this is the best team even for the men and women both, and we've really worked hard, and I'm sure we'll give our 100% there as well, and let's hope for the best. Thank you.
So in chess, a team event is just an individual event happening over 4 boards. Having said that, definitely if the atmosphere is good and the team feels good with each other and we all share ideas, then it operates at a different level. So I hope the positive atmosphere we have here we can carry over and contribute to a good result.
So your team members, they are too junior as per your comparison. So how they will get trained about it?
Well, we know each other quite well. Most of us have played in the same competitions and interacted with the same players and so on. So we all see each other quite often in the circuit. I don't think the fact that they are junior makes such a big difference.
It's a 12-year gap for you also.
Yes, but I have played in other team competitions, so I think it won't be so complicated for me to fit in.
So India is ready to get the gold back to this Olympiad?
I think we are capable of a gold. Having said that, it's an incredibly tough competition, and there are many teams that are capable of that as well. So we have to be patient and keep fighting for our chances. That's all we can do.
One question on your personal thing. How do you see yourself in the next, let's say, couple of years? Let's say this year, how do you plan to go about things?
Okay, so I will play now in the Olympiad. After that, I have 2 more commitments. I have the Isle of Man, and then I have the Tata Steel event in Kolkata. That's something I'm also very excited about. I'm playing in India after a long time, and it looks to be a very nice competition. So that's my plan for this year. Next year, for the moment, I have committed to Vaikanze, the Tata Steel event, and I'll take it from there.
So what at the time you are actually looking at? Not like this, let's say, not like a shot at the World Championship.
Well, that I will try. I will try it again, but that I'll only know at the stage of the World Cup. So there's no point thinking about it now. Thanks.
What do you say about as he's a rising star of India?
Oh, well, he's one of our big hopes, and I think he will hold down the third board very well. I've also in our team, we played an online team together in Mumbai Movers, and a couple of games he was the one who brought it in, so I hope he'll contribute decisively.
सब्सक्राइब करें।